Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to Digital Spark. So today we are going to see our first training session for employment. Okay, so basically I'm going to tell you about whenever you are going to be employee of my company or any company, what are the tasks that you want to perform on day-to-day basis. Okay, so this particular video is for all the employees who are working with my company Digital Spark or any other company which are our sister companies, parent companies. Okay, this video is for them. There are three kind of employees: contract basis, part-time or full-time. This video is dedicated for all of them. First of all, you will be given with the departments in whichever department you are going to work. In future, I'm going to show you the training sessions on that each and every department. Our first training session will be on how you want to or how you have to report whenever you are working with us. So our first thing is reporting. Okay, how to behave in the company. So first thing is in reporting, we have to write down all the points, all the work that we are allocated. For example, if there is a person Rahul who is my employee, I am giving 6 different tasks to him to complete. He will write down all the 6 tasks. How he have to write, I'm going to show you a demo. First of all, you have to come Google. Our company has given you a laptop on yearly basis on lease. Okay, on that laptop, when you open your Google, you just have to type here sheets.new. Carefully see sheets.new. When you type this, press enter. Or if you cannot open like this, there is another way to open Google Sheets. When you open Google, there are 9 dots. In this 9 dots, you can see there is an option of Sheets. When you click on this Google Sheets, automatically same window will be open. And here you can see all the list of files that you have, and you can create a new file. This file is same as this file. I have just shown you a shortcut. If you want to open with the method number 2, you can open. If you want to open with method number 1, you can open. It is completely depend on you. So I hope you are clear how to open the Google Sheet. When you open this file, what is the first thing you have to do is rename the file. I will do this as daily reporting. Okay, whenever you do you create this daily reporting file, okay, you have to create it for only yourself. Okay, there will be two different kind of reporting. Reporting will be of yourself own, and the reporting will be of your entire team. Whoever will be the manager, only the manager is allowed to create the daily reports of entire team. If you are only the member, executive member of any particular team, you have to create your own daily reporting Excel sheets. Okay, what you have to do is each and every sheet here you have to mention as day 1. Okay, day 2, and so on. So here you will write day 3, day 4, day 5 in this way. Okay, you have to create this till day 30 or 31st, whichever is the month based on that. Okay, so I will write here day 4. So here you will write the month also. So currently it is February month, so you will write here Feb 25 daily reporting. This should be your format. Okay, day 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so on. Day 5. You can duplicate this file from here, whichever is suitable for you, you can do this. So this task might be boring, but I need to show this entirely because there will be some students who will get difficulty. Carefully see that what I am doing. I'm creating 30 different files, sorry, 28 different files. Why 28 different sheets here? Not files, sheets. Why 28? Because, sir, this is February and there are only 28 days. If I'm creating it for March, then I will create 31. If I'm creating for April, 30, and so on. I hope this concept is clear to you, that you want to create this sheet. Okay, and this sheet will be shared with me. How to share the sheet, that also I will show you. If someone is already aware about creation of the sheet, how you want to create, and how you will be sharing it, so you can skip the video. So this is day 13. Okay, in this way you can do it. Otherwise, I will just press this button. Okay, you can see that I will first create all the sheets and then I will rename it. 28 sheets are created. Now I will just rename all the sheets. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, day 23, day 24, day 25, day 26, day 27, day 28. Okay, whatever extra sheets are there, you can delete also. See, day 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 28. Okay, that is enough, I guess. I hope you are understanding this point. I will delete unnecessary sheets from here. Okay, once you create this particular kind of format, now we will actually see how your reporting of entire day should be there. Excel is not a tool to it is not good tool to create the reporting or create your daily reports, but this is not your uh, you know uh, what we can say, this is not the software that you are going to use always. This is only a starting. So all the employees who will be working with us part time, contract basis, or full time, okay, if you are working for initial 2 months, okay, for initial 2 months you have to give your reports through Excel. After that you will be given access to a software which will be a reporting software. Then you can report directly in that software, which is very easy than the Excel file. Okay, but initially, to understand all the details, you have to work with this. So this is day 1. What you need to do is you need to select this cell, merge this. Okay, after merging I can write here. Okay, what I will do is I will write today's day. So this is the 1st of Feb, let's say. It's 1st Feb 2025. Okay, now I will do just basic formatting, bold. I will make it colorful. Okay, this is my choice. How beautiful I want to show, I can show. Okay, so this is how. If there is a student or there is an employee who is joining on 15th of April, so you have to start here from day 15, 16, 17, 18. If you are starting from 5th of February, you have to write from day 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in this way. So in this way you have to start with your reporting. There will be 5 different columns that you need to do here. Okay, to do list. Then second column will be, see, to do list is nothing but the list of all the work that I'm going to give you or your manager is going to give you. Second part is all the work which has been started or which is in progress or which has been completed or whatever it is, means status. Okay, then duration, how much time you took about that. Okay, expected duration, what was the expected duration that you need to write down in the beginning. Okay, and after that, once you have written any work here, status of that work, duration, actual duration, actual duration, expected duration. Okay, this expected duration, it will be told by me or the manager who is giving the work. If anyone is not giving you expected duration, ask him, sir or madam, in how much time I want to do this task. Let's say I'm giving you a task and I said complete it in 5 minutes, you have to write here 5 minutes. Okay, and if you took 3 hours, you have to write here 3 hours. Okay, this is the way how you are going to do. Now in the fifth column, you are going to write here remarks. What I will do is, first of all, I will select this, then I will center align, bold. I'll give you a color here because this is the starting point. I will select downside also, and I will create a borders to this. It will be like a table. Now when it is created, the table is created. Okay, when the table is created, now I will give you here examples, like if on 1st of February I want to give you some task, and Rahul is a employee. Okay, I have given 7 tasks to Rahul. First task is, let's say, call to client ABC. This is also a task. You are given with any task, any small task, each and every small task you have to write here. Call to client A. Okay, status is, see, there will be some status. Okay, that status I will write here. The status format should be fix, allocated, started, pending, partially completed, and then completed. These are the things that you have to enter here in the status. Okay, these are the things that you have to enter here in the status. Okay, so I hope this will be just for your reference. So call to client. Okay, then let's say I will just give you the instruction that what task you have to do, and you have to note it down. No one will be there to teach you how to create the reports separately. Through these videos only, you have to create your own reports and submit it to your managers. If you are directly working with me or with the founder, CEO, CFO, CMO, anyone, whoever is your reporting manager, to them you have to share this file. Okay, so let's say you want to call, then you have to create a PPT, then you have to create a bill, then let's say talk to customer. You have to write the customer name also. Let's say uh, Rahul is my employee, so take any other name like Soham is my customer. Let's say status. All these things will be first of all allocated. Okay, all the work will be allocated in the status. Expected time I will tell you. So calling to the client, it will take hardly 12 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, if I say 10 minutes, right here. Creating PPT, I will give you only 30 minutes. Okay, so keep all these things in the minutes. Keep all these things in the minutes. Okay, create a bill, it is also a 15-minute of task, and talk to customer, it is also a 10-minute of task. Let's say there is a work, let's say create a website, then this is also allocated task to you. Actual time required for this is let's say 2 different days. Those students or those people who are working here with me, For part-time basis, they have to compulsory work for 4 hours per day. That will be considered 1 day for part-time employee. If you are working for full time, 8 hours, 8 effective hours per day. Okay, leaving this 8 hours, there will be 1 hour of break for lunch. Okay, so this is how 8 hours which is for work. In this, lunch is not included, nothing. 8 hours. So if you work for 8 hours, that is considered as 1 day if you are full time employee. And if you are a part time employee, so 4 hours is your 1 day. Accordingly, you have to decide. If you work for only if you're full-time employee and you work for only 4 hours, that is your half day. Means you, for half day it is considered as holiday. Your money from salary will be deducted. If you are a part-time person, if you are a part-time student, part-time employee, in this case you have to work for 4 hours. If you are not working for 4 hours and working for 3 hours or 2 hours, it is considered as half day. Your half salary for that particular day will be deducted. Okay, creating your website, you have to write here in minutes. So let's say you are going to work for 2 hours. Sorry, yes, 2 hours. Write this in the minutes. So 2 hours means 120 minutes. And let's say you are going to work for this website for 6 hours. Convert it into minutes. If you are working for 3 days, whenever it comes to 3 days, how you will consider 3 days into minutes? Each day is considered as 8 hours. If you are part time, each day is considered as 4 hours. So 3 days for full-time employee is 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 hours. So 3 days means in this company 3 days means 24 hours. 24 into 60. Then you will get in minutes. In this way you have to create all the thing. Okay. So then you will start the work. Let's say Rahul is the person. He is interested to start the work number 3. Okay. So what he will do is he will write here started. Then he started, he prepared the bill and he took only 2 minutes. He will write two. So bill is created successfully. Okay, you will write here any kind of remark. Let's say then he is starting after started the work, he has completed the work, he will write here completed. Then he has started PPT making, started. Okay, then he have took let's say 15 minutes. Okay, so PPT is half ready, you write here. And then after making a half PPT, you wrote here partially completed. Okay, partially completed. And then let's say you thought, no, I'm not able to do this PPT right now, I will start a different work. And then suddenly you started this work. Okay, so you will write here, 2 minutes. Okay, or 2 minutes 5 seconds or 50 seconds or whatever it is there. Okay, and you can write here customer didn't pick the call. Now when such kind of work is there where you are actually uh, means actually doing the work, but the work is not successful, so you have to write here pending. Okay, and you have to write here remark call tomorrow. Okay, call tomorrow means not tomorrow, you have to write, so sorry, call on let's say 2nd of Feb 25, in this way. So in this way you will keep on writing the task, you will keep on writing the status, duration, actual duration, expected duration, and the remarks whatever it is there. Okay, so you have this video with you. Whenever you have any doubt, you can refer to this video and start preparing your demo, your reporting sheets. When you have to submit this sheet to your manager, you have to only submit it from here. Write here the name of your manager's email address. Okay, his name or her name or email address, and then you can add. So let's say your manager is Isha Sharma, so you can write here isha.sharma at the rate gmail.com, and then you can click on this. Okay, then you have to give here access. Okay, you have to give her access. Your manager should only view, your manager should only comment, or your manager should be editing. So your manager should not edit the task, correct? So that's why you will go with commenter. Let's say your manager is going to give you the task by writing. You told your manager, sir or madam, I am not able to understand what task you are telling and how much time it will require. Can you please write here in my sheet? Then give the edit access. Otherwise, just give the commenter access. Okay, based on your team. Okay, but in most probably, if you give editor task, all permissions are given, and then click on send button. Okay, in this way, you have to work. Thank you so much.